guys, today is Quickbook time. Today I'm gonna teach how to add a vendor. Vendor is very different with customer. Customer is what the people we are going to sell. Vendor means we are going to buy. So you have to remember this word. Let's get it. So, first step is going to expenses in your tab. Oh, I clicked, but it's okay. So there's vendors. Go to vendors, and there's right top. There's new vendor. Click the new vendor, and we're going to add morning supplies in here, and it's automatically displays. So and tap. You can use the tap. There sometimes have a name or emails, so we're gonna use a street address is practice. So just put the address. Tap CA California. Tap 94305 and type the phone number in here. 605 650 555 8814. And now I'm going to change the terms. Net 10. Net 10 means you have to pay in 10 days. Net 15 is you have to pay in 15 days. Dual receipt means you're paying at the same time. Save. We're gonna save. And then we are finding now a morning surprise in here. So, as well as a customer, we can import the vendors in the same way. Click the arrow and there's import vendors. So if company give you the Excel file and you just browse the file and then upload. Now we're going to edit vendor. So click Books by Bessie and right top click the edit, right? And then let's change some address because they move. We'll just pretend. So they are moved to 9871 Broadway, Palo Alto. Save. And it is changed their address. And let's go back to vendor again. And now let's make inactive. Here, click the arrow. And the bottom, there's make inactive. If you click in this inactive, there's no more squawky. But if you want to see all of the things, click the gear and click the include inactive, and then you can see inactivated vendor's name here and this one. Thanks for watching my video. Just keep going. You're going improved. Bye.